Oj, gracie, go sleigh, my go sleigh. 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 Oj, gracie, go sleigh, my go sleigh.
We are on our way for our first trip, Yosemite, and we are in the Oaks getting fuel, and I must say excited. Long trip ahead of us. Just put a little gas in. We're trying to cheaper out, so I'm gonna stop at a Pilot's, but I'm at a Chevron, and we're going to Yosemite. Then we're going up to Nevada, and then we're gonna go to Tahoe, and then we're gonna loop back home. So follow the trip. Currently pulling in to a Pilot's, and I'm lightweight nervous. It is time to do my first dump at the Caca Agua. Well guys, it is 3 o'clock in the morning somewhere in California, and I'm about to do my first dump. I'd be lying if I said I was a little nervous. Things might get a little bit shitty. We're gonna go. Oh God. Does it take that like that?
You
like so. Oh. To God, no shit comes over. Oh my God, it's leaking. It's fucking leaking. Oh Lord Jesus.
hurry up, connect it.
So, sewage. Driving all night. I thought I'd give you guys a view of what I see now. We're almost there. We're within an hour their way, and I had to pull over because there's something beautiful. Check this out. This is the face of a tired man. I'm really tired. My daughter's back there somewhere. She's on her tablet. I told her she gotta sit down and buckle up. Have to buckle up. Buckle up, buckle up. There's Mary. We're here with my daughter.
We're gonna go fishing.
And we're gonna go fishing.
And swimming.
Fun trip so far? Yeah. Can't wait to
we're going swimming too.
I don't know, you know she's a little penguin, so she like cold, she loves cold everything. She doesn't like hot baths, she likes cold water baths, weird. But we are gonna go fishing. Hopefully see some wildlife, a couple bears, huh?
Yeah.
Bears.
and owls.
What about the bunnies?
Bunnies don't live in here.
And we're going through the tunnel, guys. Whoa. Wow. Wow.
We're lucky that we're here during a time that you can see it though, because we were doing some research and they say that during this winter time it snows and they shut down this road, so you can't come up here and
we just left.
Pretty amazing.
We just left from my house.
So guys, we're down here. We just looked at the Bridal Well Falls. Now I'm starving. We're starving. Mary, you hungry? We're starving, so we're gonna try to find somewhere to pull over and boondock for a second. Get some breakfast going, and guess what I stopped and got? I got some Cinnabons. I got Cinnabons last night. Of course I had to get Cinnabons. So I'll probably do like some eggs and sausage or bacon or something like that. And Cinnabons. Ha! Mary is cracking eggs. You making breakfast, baby? You helping mama? Look at this, y'all. What a wonderful way to have breakfast in the morning. Mary, what are you eating?
Bacon.
Bacon, mommy. Bacon, bacon, bacon. That's good bacon? Look at this beautiful reservoir.
Oh, look how clear it is.
Wow. Wow.
Wow, very beautiful.
Something pretty cool I've seen here. Half of the lake is frozen. Pretty cool, huh?
Uh-oh, look that mountain. Uh-oh, look this mountain.
Wow.
Wow, wow.
Through the door.
All right, guys, we found the hot springs. We are on our way up there. Are you excited, Mary Bear?
Yeah. My mama puts her feet.
What Mama do?
My mom only puts her feet in the pool.
Why is that?
I go swimming
Why is mom only put her feet in the pool?
because she doesn't like getting burned.
Oh. Well, guys, we were on our way to the hot springs with the family and get up there, and the first thing I see was a little penis swinging around and little boobies out. I said, I can't do that to my daughter. So we put her back in the back of the RV. Had to read books while I jumped in. No, I was kidding. Nope. They were just a bunch of free people, free spirits. Now, I told my baby, I said, we didn't have Mary, we'd have been out there. Just a titty sagging and nuts dragging. What's up, guys? We made it. Bridgeport Marina and Resort. Got us, this is our first time gonna use an RV campground. So, pretty excited about to get on the grill, cook some chicken tonight, whatnot. Mary's loving it. I did get a warning from the lady that manages the place that it's possible freeze over, and it has happened within the last week. So that gives me a little concern. But yeah, the man's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Like, I don't know how we ended up here. There's no place I would want to be. There's no place I would want to be. camping, I decided we'll barbecue some chicken. And wifey is in the house and she is doing what she does. I don't know why I got these drumsticks though. They tend to take longer than everything else, but once they're cooked proper, they're good. So, but as far nice and calm. They said it gets really cold out here, man. Mary's inside watching some TV, and after dinner, I'm gonna get to posting this video.